We have not had any serious incidents. We are dealing with over 850,000 students. I think basically our students were very prepared for this examination because most of them had completed the syllabus about 3 months ago. And having gone to about 500 of the schools over the last 6 months, I can attest to the fact that our children are ready and prepared and ready to go. So the children are not guilty. The guilty are the parents, and the more guilty are the teachers, some of whom are basically just traders and crooks. We dismantled one of their cartels in primary schools, having arrested several of them. We have noticed that they have formed another one. And this morning in Nairobi, we already had 2 students with cell phones. We are going to be very soft with them. We shall allow them to take the exams. But I want to once again just warn that any teacher who feels he or she is brave enough to open, particularly the second paper, we shall know where you have done it, and we shall come for you, just like we did in Wajir, and just like we did in Tanzania and other places. So the people must actually go away. As soon as the results are out, we shall start the phase 2 because the money is there. And it will be lighter because we already have the contractors. The contractors that have been delivered, we shall take them again. If you are not a thief, you don't have to worry. So the question that you have to go to procurement again, there are certain things, my dearest brothers, that I'm not allowed to air in public. But I want to tell you that the government of the Republic of Kenya, through the Interagency, Ministry of Interior, Ministry of Education, and Ministry of ICT, are in full control when there are issues, information that we get that we think should be dealt with. We are ready and mobile. We have helicopters on standby with pilots. So that pilot must already be airborne, and the exam will get where it is going before 8 o'clock. You know, there are certain things I can't say because even the crooks are listening. And I don't want to give them a hands up that this is how far we know they are doing. That's why